All right, so I've gotten rusty, right? I've been using Super Maven for, just 4 months, 5 months. And I've noticed that my ability to use Go is not as polished, right? Simple things like ranging and for loops and building structure, a lot of that syntax that I took for granted for a long time, I'm getting rusty at. And so I'm starting a new thing here where I just do one Leetcode problem a day and I just practice. You can see all the terrible kind of slowness that I've got and join me as I kind of work through it and I try to reason through it. So here's our first one. Roman to integer. So we're going to have to do some decoding here. So we're taking the Roman and then we're getting the integer and then we're going to have to do some symbol translation. So let's get this up and running. So we're going to integer 13. No, it's going to go 13. All right, so integer 13, Roman to integer. Go mod init, that's fine. To integer. And I'm going to toggle off Super Maven here just to force me. Okay, sorry. So package main, that's what I want, and I func main, let's import format, and format print line, mod tidy, go. And let's just do this right quick. Well, on this side, I'm going to split up and let's jump into Swift directory prac. And we'll go into Go and 13. Okay, so we've got error running there. We can, so if I come here and update, save it, automatically fires. That's perfect. So we've got 7 different symbols here, and we need to be able to translate between these symbols. So let's make a lookup table. So I'm going to call lookup. And this is going to need to be a map of basically string to int. Is that how it works? Or is it the other way around? One. And this one, I guess if it's not in here, I think it's got to be like this. Okay, it's good, but not used, so if I change this, and then if I just do this, get a table, get a test out of it. Oh, that's spitting it. That's working fine. Okay, do make this a constant. Let's be equal sign. It's not a constant because it's, I don't think it lets me do it. Maybe if I set it up as an interface, but I don't think I want an interface for there. So let's throw it here. Just a walrus, and we're good to go. So what we need is all of our symbols. Let's build that out. So we have I, which is going to be O. We have V, which is going to be 5. We have X, which is going to be 10, L, 50. We have C, which is going to be 100. D, which is going to be 500. M, 1,000. We also have some hidden numbers here, which potentially match multiple strings. So let's add that. So we need to add IV, which is going to be 3. We're going to add IV, which is going to be 4. And it's going to be VI, so get incrementing, VI, which is going to be 6. Okay, roll those. I could make it dynamic. An X can be placed before an L. I guess that's true. If we only care about catching the subtraction cases, then the other ones could just be adding. I think let's do that. So if I do X can be before L. L, which would be 40. And XC, which would be 90. And then C, 400. And C, which one is that? If I go through and I just grab the first match, I think I can just do it that way. So the question are maps fixed ordering? If I grab the biggest number possible, I will always hit the right one. I should only use a smaller number when the other cases fall through. I think this problem case doesn't require me to support this. So let's kill this out for now. So let's do that. Range for key value and range of lookup table. Format print line, and I'm going to print the. Does that work? And is it consistent? Forty, 10, 5? No, it's not. So maps are dynamically built, so that's not going to work for me. Instead, I need a fixed list. Can I do a tuple with mixed types? I think I can. So if I have a list of string ints, how do I do a tuple? Let's check that. Do one hint. And list of tuples in Golang for okay, so I can just make an interface. Type lookup, and it's going to have an int. that give me the consistent values? Because now I'm using a list instead of or slice rather. That. That's perfect. So now we just need to take a number. What is the interface that they give me? His next character. If the next character is an MD, pairs of j equals pair. So I went through each of the pairs. Now, so let's see if I can find the singleton j. If so, I'd just pick up the pairs of j dot name pair c equal needle. So I can assume the next character if I find a pair. So when did I insert? So C. What should be 900. So what should this be? CM, which would be 900, and then 9 plus 2. Yeah, we should be evaluating that 900. So I've got a bug here. My suspicion is that this pair isn't looking for. Okay, so. Okay. So where is that? Oh, because I think it's exclusive of the endpoint. That's right. Okay. CD. CC. Okay, eyes. Okay. I think we've got a solution here. Anything else? 13, Roman, go. Grab all of you. Switch you to go. Like so. And test case. How do I run the tests? There we go. Undefined vowel. Oh, I didn't bring in the value type. Okay, so see that works. I was happy. So that's it. All right, so there we have it. So kind of the next part of this is I want to see what I could do better. Is there anything that calls out to me that's particularly ugly? I mean, I could break this out, but I kind of like it. Let's increment these with different. Okay, and then we'll change this to IJK. Like that. I think I'm pretty happy with it. Let me update my solution once. That, maybe that go. Grab all of you. Okay. All right, so we'll close it at that.